Yamo akwa bazibo ya Costa TV warrior and the area bree. Yabakas was CCTU. Warrior or ya CCTU Career Fair 2025. Oba Denzama P. Etuminezi, which resema CV Ahroa was Babano Bobo Muslim Field to more review. Mock or your interventions or Baba Model to Makodo, exhibitions Bokodo, Damasuna interactive or your sections Ahro to Amakodo. And the society, you show your school full Ahroa, or the Messi eponemy. I want a Wobwa, Majumeza Woods in war or your Enda Wotumoshasi or your Feno, Etumakodo. I shall one or your banner or to Mosanaha. In something tomorrow, Etra and Mapa or CCTU of Bretuberenum. Chancellor and Vice Chancellor to other school now, they be up there without the full tomorrow. And it's in a Costa TV, and Abre, Yansia Baba Cancer, Yeroko, Aquasha Jumeza Wotumuzino, then Nazama Hopia, Utumo School 4 at a 4. I want to what the Honzama Bautumo and Dewon, you told me what Chonkomo, but Nazama of Bretuberenum, Watum Nawasha, or ya Costa TV once Etumaka, Mezanesi Omar bin Abdallah, and I abe ibodo sukoza oho bia da meteka moditira sokran no abamaze na fietum na adesi enti yakwa kwhwa ze otumoro kodo ya campus ho na ima nazama honyi wontum hu yankwa mra.
Put all these minds together, and if the entry level job says 2 years experience, you've got it. Hello, you've got it. So please, and I cannot emphasize this enough, it is the only way that you can gain entrance into any role. And please, when you are doing internship, don't settle for errands, running errands, for other departments or organizations and all that. Because it is not errand running adventure for you. While you were there, respectfully, please speak your mind. Tell them, I beg, madam, this is not why I'm here. I've done it 1, 2, 3. Be assertive. Please, I know that sometimes the elderly, we take assertiveness to be disrespect, but it is not. It's you stating your mind respectfully. That's all, and get what you want. Otherwise, you'll be bullied. And by the time you realize the internship, you have done that, it's be on your CV, but you will not be able to demonstrate it when you are called upon to do so. And the project experience, I know that as a technical university, you do projects. Please take them seriously, because that is what tells us that you are able to translate theory into practice, and that when you are given the opportunity with the background theory that you have on the job, you'll be able to translate that as well. And I have said it before, make yourself visible. Make yourself visible. Please stop posting the food you eat on Facebook. Stop posting. I don't know what you tend to gain by that. What is your motivation for that? That you eat good food. That you eat good food or what? And sometimes the food you post really is not good food. So I'm wondering what you are trying to get. It's a space that you can take advantage of. So please take advantage and post good stuff about you, your research. You can even, those who do the project and research, you can share in the series form. This week you post about the problem and what you identified and all that. On and on. By the time you realize somebody has spotted you and wants you to hear, wants to hear more about your project. So that is that. And please remember, everything depends on you. And the opportunities are there. The AI, we have the ChatGPT, the popular one. We have DeepSeek, we have Perplexity. There are a lot of them. So abreast yourself. It's not only when you have assignment that you go there and put the chat does it for you. Then your lecturers have problems with you. Because even that, you have to add smartness to it, right? Exactly. So use the AIs, but use them advisedly and professionally, and if you like, sensibly, in quotes. Right, so I will end here, and let me say that again, it all depends on you. Hello? Hello? You are not happy with what I'm saying? Are you happy? Because whether you are happy or not, it is what it is. It depends on you. See, the investment, your parents have made the investment of you being here. your management and lecturers are invested in you as best as they can. But the rest is up to you. This program, you are here. Some of you you are present, but you are not here. It's called presenteeism. You are here, but you are not here. Some of you are here, and you are here, presenteeism. Right? So, as you are here, please see that it's something that you take advantage of. And please take note of the things I've shared with you. It's based on my experience as an HR consultant for over 18 years. It's based on what I have done for my clients over the years across industries. Hospitality, mining, oil and gas, banking, name them. So these are the skills you are looking for. So add to your technical skills these skills and demonstrate the right attitude. Put yourself out there, develop your professional identity, and you gain an entrance into the room. And those same skills, by your continuous learning pursuit, will keep you in the room. Thank you very much. God bless you. If you like fruit salad. If you don't like it, you should like it because for your health's sake. Hello? Okay, so we are going to make fruit salad here. And we have 3 fruits. We have watermelon, we have pineapple, and we have banana. So we'll mix them together and get the fruit salad. So those of us on my extreme left, you are watermelon. Hello? Watermelon. Those of us here at the center here, you are pineapple. Hi, pineapple. Then those at my extreme right, you are banana. Hello? So we have watermelon, pineapple, and banana. So if I mention watermelon, those of us here will stand up and then you repeat after me. Then you will continue doing that. This will join you, pineapple will join, and the banana will join. Don't mind my abochi voice, but follow me. Watermelon, watermelon, pineapple, pineapple, banana, 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 fruit salad. Hello? Do we get it? So let's start with the watermelon. When they start, the other fruits will keep quiet. But when it gets your time you continue. Don't stop. The others will join you. Are we good? So let's start. Watermelon, water. Please, let's stand up. Ready? Go. Watermelon, watermelon, banana, pineapple, pineapple, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. Let's do one more. Watermelon. I want to hear you.
Anita Ohenedako, the head of the counseling unit.
Anita
Ohenedako, head of the counseling unit. Hene Centra, yes, the Mujumezi Career Fair 2025. Yes, Bobaz in your day. Young one day, Hene students no. Pen baby will be in a walk. Want to mean compete here with other students. I once walk cocoa baby. Nti ye hwehwem na ye hunde nyeme bi wo ho de ye yezebro hon na wotum wogina hon na adoye ama won so wokwa wetum a compete, especially when it comes to interviews wonye hon nkofo ko compete for maybe a particular job. Nti ye hunde say yetum ye empa won ye ya they will be bold enough to defend the certificates they have acquire.
And if a school area by Bush Isaac, Nancy, you see, I didn't see center with the man you do about. So you see, yes, you would entertain you a whole the way here. A bit today as a crater, quack a page, my and she share ben I go crater, no do wash a woman. Wo appearance, wo how organization. Inti you there say nyame bi obi nyim baby amazi be hye baby amazi boto inti da me dwumezi yere na ya hye students no hone nyama amhone ye am was submit one CV that was kwa wonyim de o won bibia what is our hwehwe na ase na am we hu de I ogina na ado ye botum ya afa na edwuma ono nti na ye da me bi so wo ho a today interview nya de nyimpa no nyima azinti na edwuma no interview went to one pass ma one fa no ibi o hostro onyim mosima oba dress ehwa da me nyama nyina na onam do na ye da medwuma nti inde dwumezi ye yerizi ye ma hon mock interview wo be keke share panel na watoto hwanano say pe dwuma into first hand interview yezema hwanti right from here na so job opportunity bi wo baby a yemde say students no so wokwa when mosima how it feels and what they are going to meet on into na area da mazi ama hwana so economy wo ya levels bi wo ha into level no wo bi and that's the ma all final year students, diploma final year students, HND final year students, BTech final year students. When you na ma hon. You did a meeting the sustainability which my would say my work at home to you. Is it a button Papa answer na years the midjume na yes a proposal to her. Emma management was shy, was friend Henma Yaka defendi, Ma Wundez a year cannot assume. And then Yan Cotte management to say the baby for Suri be. And so I do ye our day ye, na yes I shall say, na ye boss sustaining, ye ya Muarisha Mpopa de, young phone to my film Connery, na I a second one. I feel Connery and your family is Benigma. You be you or ye Kua, what they are. You there, my friend will school na walk. So one ponerika away Juma, and ye a Juma, anyone busy Juma. Na say bia, one area way Juma na say, Erica pay Juma war, baby sir. The me a quick ya for Juma industries here for one son of Waba for one Juma. Into Yama industries in the bay, now war about share. Students are war na most my prepare when they could do so that job opportunity be na nyamin chaza yenya organization be to the Excel yenya African Skills Hub when you now wa bada employment who are all baby even students in one we no kwa watifie ye unemployed association baby watifie woni mpo bia na adwuma so bi the baby nti dem nkofunya ye nwan be nti so obi be no hu do dem nyimpe ye interview ni ye e ma o carry no hu ye ne CV o hihye ni ye ya na sa ye fa na adwuma obe ye ya nyim de ye zi dwumazi mpo bokọ ewie na wa ye one selection a wo boto nsa afra won na wa fa won adwuma. But first of all, Baba Tazi, into the media with you, no so on us and what mobile benefits. You know what's showing her ass and yes, share what is car, yes, Vobis solution.
why as a papa was on your assen, yes, SIC, one so a boy hen. Yes, Casapre, Wabo boy hen, one of you saw your nomina, drinks are your nomina, the Yazaba several students in your was my hen, and on your GT bank, one so a boy hen. Nkado foso ho kakra obia sadat phone wodi akoten wo interview nim one na wodi ne student na ba fanti mu before wa baba na student na send almost over 700 students wa send one CVs that do ma wa hwema ma one nti sisi as a photo dey bi ne ma yare anye da wonye one rekaya interviews na wa hwe there ma wodi boto ho na enyi mo wo hwehwe mi no ona wa bana was a boko outer and see so that's for I as a papa and was wabo wa shahan boss there wo bobo hen ma yen wa be mentors am hen student nti ye wa reshem there mo hen enyim no oye oyaza obobo hen pa na hen management without them we wouldn't have been where we are. Na washe me ye koto ho n'enyim waji tum ahwoboa ahokaka sikasam ni nyina ho na wota he n'echi ma wo pia he na ma nda ye tum ye ze dwumezi ya aba nti ho na wo bo he no me ye tum ze be
Dean me nsane bisa waso plan e de share the dwumezi nda ye ya ye no ndara ye tum ye jai anade ye kuhna ye mini butum ye tanama
yo medasepa ye koye na enyim no na ye de esi enye enyiwa do de ye be no afibia dem na ye nyanti efri management for there obey yearly ritual every year we will do this career fair for young students final year students and my they prepare one they are the job market ntanya de ye no ndepe na ye twem. There were other things the best one in crime. Baby ni yen certificates program or bado and soft skills yedi shawanizen kina wo one who say ma yedi be prepare one for the job market.
Abansi sana de medine dey etumeze ma oya ma for na oko oyekuma obapedo asisa wa ya Ghana na ababo etumeze.
You me Jimmy the day, bra ye prepare one for the job market. Wakwa, won kwaye one day jumani biara, nembum intiti ya de amohono, wo betum, what the akodi jumana, what did jumani yenswa, or bebwa Ghana, mani nara.
Yo, I have an ashan, so I have been a senator, but the neighbors and the man of those I've been so picky and then I would make
Mpocho, ono na ye feel there, or ye bibia, wo here. Onye ni CV writing no and mock interviews no and job opportunity available no ono no ohia titu wo na brabom because we school na abaze na wo akọ ye adwuma nti wo de ye equip one wo dem kwan no do nti na ye fa dem nyama ibasen a ye de ese na enwa do ye di dem career fair 2025
This watch na Genesis nti final year for work Jeje wonya homonko na afofofo na waba nti wodi chef na asa na obuhu na wa afidi ye ye hihye ehu da adono rokoye na ba sisi information woja wokwa agba no
yo yenyimde we have a lot of institutions e Ghana wonyina wo training students wa bewie na wa kopa adwuma ni the minti no ye hwa about 60,000 plus wo wie nti wo students no we wie school no aba opportunity no out there obetum wo de aboa na ode nya adwuma ni the minti na oye yen ehiaze kese de e wo de ye equip one so that they can face the world as in job market.
About
Futu amede magana fone de won boy hen you better to sell one one two when one shayen especially industry players because without the industry we are training in vain and so we plead with the industry players to be ready to accept us whenever we come to them to plead for support.
Bochomizini Madam Benedicta Anita Mensah. Me managers Ghana National Chamber of Commerce and Industry Central Region. Na in the eda ponkese ozima oye CCTU na dama yenyime no aha oye bia oye insane dwuma bia na CCTU oye school for anamenka de suapona onye hen di insawoso na iyan so yefi Ghana National Chamber of Commerce and Industry yebotai de businesses nyinara obotum wa konenyim na wa yeden wenyin na wa boa oye Ghana nimpuntu na yehwe CCTU nenyi dade du na oyin de obatete mbofra na wa mohoni nyimzi ma wetum woze akwa akobobra ema wa boa business community anaso de wa boa omano nimpuntu na inde eye eda ochede ozikan ewo oye hwan embra wochichire oye dam schooli na wodere ye wo friend den bibi broni bese oye fe orochire de mboframa no wehia hwana azewie no na worokọ aboa no no ntete ni nyimiza wenyan wodokọ akọbọ hwana bra na wetum wenya isunsuando pa oboboa ma Ghana afani tempa efra na ochede nya aza wo beja oye business community na naso the leadership of the business community inti inde yebaha yenyun bom edi dama jumezi na yehunene de oboboa bebre zama oman Ghana osane mpempi no mboframa no wo wie na wokwara ni bi atuna adwunum obi mpoza osuan mpo ni referee no ho nti industry ye wo ha de ye beverage dem gap na oye in between academia onye industry no ama we hu de ye nyina ye kro na za worusuan ni nyina kire de waji nyimezi no otwa de wozenzi ye no so wodi be ye adwuma
you said business in America was a business is a school for no to the Abba for Japan and Chamber of Commerce chief man to Wabi Ubia about the son of performance of so
yeah mbofra mane nyimizia woze amahwano inye broni bese white collar job nkotin na wozero kakaye worokọ aboa no ibinum wobat hwana ankasa hwana adwuma ibinum ankasa wa ye nsane adwuma hwana ankasa worka de nezi na woza abo hwana bra wode aye adwuma woza aboa oman mpuntu into the Chamber of Commerce and Industry the private sector business led organization inyan so ye waha no no chede ye boa ne yeso honomu na ya nature hono wobra wa ba out no osande nyimizi wo 21st century mun o child otum oyi adwuma ama oboa nipa no ne suenhun enti no chamber no wo ho de ye baboa hwan ye bogrum hwan ma wetum wozi nyimzi wozi emma hwan wo nkyerɛkyerɛ na aza wozi ma hwan wa han wozi etum aza ye adwuma na fi ye ama wa connect to the business community and also the professionals and development partners obotum wa ye den wa boa hwan we so hwan asen chamber no wo ho de often igwezi ankranku dwuma onyi mfiri dwuma yesom na ye boa intete bebre na yezema student inti student no woromba de weja hwan njankada ma waza akire hon no ona nya no so ye be build on na ya boa hwan mo wetum wesom no wekutane ye na wehu nanyu odo mapa na wetum wa ye ne ye na wode aboa oman Ghana inti yerka ma yerkire enye de oye 21st skills oye soft skills no impen bebre no moframa no ba out ina hwana adwene yan hwana de se jaachi bi na wodi be ye adwuma so tide no nanso no ye hye hwan nkran de dem soft skills no won fanka nyimzi a wenya no ho na wo ba out wetum woda ye de woze aye adwuma critical thinking brony secret I think outside the box or chade za itumi ye no za adwene ho no zo ye how other community man na society ni mo no or de wade kira wode kira wo no wan kasa wo research area yen otumo oye den or solve them problem na so do otumi yi da ma how no ano o Sunday ye hu de Ghana ye wo how bebre e wo ho but some from e wo from the scratch there or ye ho no wo botum wa solve e bo hu de wo de won hu nyipedua nyinara ishem na wo focus on and then wo tum where then wo come out with the solution bebre na ye hia ama ye onam do ma ye ntum ye nje ana ye mfa confidence in shembo from emunti no o ma ye ko outside na ye ko hwehwe na so me come chiro there mbo from a wo guwe bebre kita ai adwene sonko nyimzi sonko ideas sonko a wo botum wo da aboa ma ye solutions a ye hwehwe ye ze ama wo frene den on mani ne how bebre no we tum wa ye den we wie epeye on fan den ye natural resources a ye wo na ade nyina iye no na wo betum wa ye den wa aboa hen na wa ye research ma ye tum ya turn natural resources ma we tum wa be sika as aboa oman no na wa aboa oman mpunto so.
Good afternoon. Friend Patricia Blackisi. Me na meda Sedat Consult ejuma no. Sedat Consult ejuma ko a wo hwe de abebunu benya ejuma ye na fe companies nso benya nkofo nyi wona ye ejuma every bra wo be fa nkofo ne bra how they will manage the nkofo ni na. So that is what we do, training, recruitment, staff outsourcing, service outsourcing, generally to help people get job. And then when you're Jumani Swa, you're born with me where you're Jumani, that's what we do.
School for you, tell what facility now your staff. Now what you have to my
Medase pa since I was hanging there, you would there school for warrior on our family. I wasn't to say my school for no. But you also there, so we school now by no obey Juma. Yeah, Bibi to sin kakra. Ain't no my any day, yeah, but near you wanna bekasa. Ama za won't there, Juma 4 year here. Employers 1 hour from Kofu Jumamu, 1 and Sema Nyama win here, and son our from Kofu Jumum. You would there every year. Pay 60,000 graduates in our bar the employment market. But yes, Shuma, almost 6,000 per in our year Juma within the first year. Inti Nkopona wakan obey then. It's year but today you what they have to do. Offer how one CV what be say and come offer how skills are here. Obotum na what we sua ama wo ba out a wetum we nya adwuma na afen so offer sebia we nya kwanya mpo de won fa won adwuma na be ye interview na ebo ko interview no aba asem na ode kan kwan be na ode fa do kasa asem no ama enya adwuma enti no on na ye nye won abeche amegidi de ofin de rukoi wo be siesie wo ho ama why you ready for the job market ama we school adwuma asem no even though I didn't know, but we both now was one who we see one who ye my way Juma from school after school.
But I heard the sustainability of Hinkiton in a school for another higher to me. It is about why you don't have.
Oh, Obetuma Juma so pepano ho. Na say when ya mboa what we here because academia and industry ya can and I think we'll be saying it a lot there's a gap between industry and my industry social no na academia wasn't but say but together na ye fire ho adwin boma obeye mo hwan de ye nya no nde na ye nja ye chidi ebe bribia oye me de vice chancellor ka de oyada obeye every year. So them not there. I think the obeboa pa. Mama kanye de Ghana for awofo ye wachefa wom di na aban so wachefa wom but me kasa kire mabunu na wo school na we school no pocho we dwuma sem oye wa responsibility government be na femude wo parents why you wanna femude wo je wa ba school there be to school fees institutions no so ama onimdie na ehia no mo wa ka ye wankasa nti mesre the wankasa ebe take responsibility of your own career development na ma yenye wona ache ni nyina efa how to prepare your CV efa skills are odenya AI Excel other skills na ehia no and these days no it's easy eko abefo kwantimpon wo friend internet ya YouTube AI ChatGPT na de ebotum de suam sebe ya ebotum na enye adwuma timpocho mobna worry team Ghana for take your own career into your own hands. Medasi.
Good afternoon. Pacho Nyamiadom. Pacho Frame John Obeng. John Obeng.
John Obeng. I've been saying that you are doing excellent. Name class in the tuition. I've been telling
you. The kind. Meda management asibibri ewo opportunity a omode ama yen a school for a yewo Cape Coast Technical University akwanya kese a yen so yenya say yedi besia bibi practical section of this very career fair year this year abasui the entire manko class na mabaha ene say class ko ehuhia adisua ehuhia but etoda ehuhia bebre say omo job market ni mu no ana say omo yebeka say omo practical field na omo ye adwuma no school ya ye ko ise bio eye adwuma na ye de hwehwe we are also increasing our knowledge said ye be ya we will be able to fit into the job market na yen so de yaba besua wa ha no ye de be ye adwuma nti wona omo wa adwuma ni mu dada no na ye nya akwanya ye ne omo ahia impu a omo kire ye ne e koso wo ho ene ahoboa esese ye na yen so ne ye wie school a de yaba besua wa ha no eso abamfaso e de amaye no megidi say we dey a step in the right direction say students are ye final year students empo wona wo ye won national service na ye nyina ye hia mu wa ha no mo ese ye beje sa nchirechire na yen so nyame adom na say ye wie school a ye hu the right thing to do at the right time na eso abamfaso e de amaye na empo ye adesua ye besua wa ha no eso e de aba mfaso amaye medase.
I'm talking about the resource about some kind of exit now open work model the man when you talk to about
yo we there menkwa men sempa biom said ya wawdi kan ya no yenya resource persons bibria omakasa nanso so no manfa free nipa baako ho me connected dot no esan say okasafo baako e kan say eye bebre say ye besua ne ye esua yi nanso so no eho hia bebre say ye be build network e de ama ye ho say de be ya ye free ha no mo a ye nim bebi a ye kɔ pote ebiom so no okasafo baako nso ekiremu e ma ye te ase say sesi a na say impremprem no technology na addos bebre nti no eho be hia say ebia me as John Obeng me de me ye production engineering eno